Hey everyone, in this video we are exploring the pwd command in Linux. It stands for print working directory. The pwd command simply shows your current directory path, especially useful when you're working deep inside nested folders. It has two useful flags, -L, it stands for logical. It shows the path stored in the pwd environment variable, which might include symbolic links. Second is -P, it stands for physical. It resolves symbolic links and shows the actual physical path on the file system. Let's see them in action. Let's write pwd. It shows the present working directory. Currently I'm inside a test pwd directory and it's going to show the present working directory, the full path from the root. If you're inside a symlink directory, the -L and -P might return different paths. They can also be referred by /bin/pwd. Now let's look at the pwd environment variable. You can view it by typing echo $pwd. It is case sensitive. If you type, you will not get the expected output.